Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to use conditions in Java. This lesson will be using user input, which I've gone over last video. So if you haven't seen that, please look at that first. So let's begin. I'm going to start with this code with a print line function, which will say pick a number. So we are asking the user for an input, and so I'm gonna put int. I'm gonna name this int number. I need it to equal my scanner, what my scanner picks up, which I've already declared. So and then next int. Okay, so now I'm going to now do something that's called if. So I'm gonna type if. And so I have to put some condition. So if, say, x equals 10, I put in the double equal signs because that's I'm not saying that it's 10, I'm checking if it's 10. If is 10, let me add some parameters. If that happens, I'm gonna shoot out a message that says, wow, you guessed the lucky number. And outside of this parameter, I'm going to have something that's called else. So if the if function, if we go to the if function and the x is not 10, it's going to skip over that, and instead we're going to have the else. So let me have some opening here. So else, if x is not 10, I'm going to say, I'm going to have the program say actually, too bad you didn't guess the correct number. So if x is 10, we see the first message. If it's not, we see the second. So let's just run it. Actually, I haven't even. Well, actually, no, it's not x actually. Number is 10. This is my bad. So if number is 10, so pick a number. I'll pick 10. Wow, I guess the lucky number. And if we run it again and it is 3, we did not guess the correct number. So now I'm going to show something different. We can actually check if 2 or more conditions are met. We can have or and. So first I'm going to show or with a string input. So first I'm going to have the system say, tell me your name. And now we'll be looking for a string because we'll be looking for text. So string name equals scanner dot next. We have that in, and now let's say if name dot equals. We use name dot equals for strings. We can't have equals equals for strings like integers. Please keep that in mind when you're attempting this. And let's say if it equals Bob, and to have the or, we use this symbol. So if name equals Bob, or say Bobby. So if, and then I'll have my parameters. So we can actually have it say something say something cool if it's Bob or Bobby, or like it's not cool, but So we'll just to indicate that the system knows that you put Bob or Bobby specifically. So I'll say, oh, you must be Bob or Bobby. And so also I'm going to have it select another name. Tell me your friend's name. Now we can let's have another name, so we'll need a new string, and I'll put name1, scanner.next, so we can have the user input it again, and so now we have another if statement, if name dot equals Bob. I need parentheses here. Instead of this symbol for or, we're going to use two of these symbols. So and name dot equals Bobby. Then not the ending statement. Then we can have it say something new. Oh, I need another parentheses to close the whole thing. So we'll have the system say a number, say something to recognize that these are both the names. Well, first name that equals. Wow, your name is Bob and your friend's name is Bobby. Of course, I don't think this code would be used practically, but this is a great example for how if statements can be used with ors and ifs and ands, so we can have variation in our conditional statements, and we need else statements because what's the point in having it do nothing if we have a name? So else, this is print line, hello, spacebar, name plus. I'm actually gonna have to put in an empty space right here to separate the names, so it's not doesn't appear as one word. Plus name1, and actually I'm going to have to put in a period here too. So let me run this program. So tell me your name. I'm gonna put Bob. Oh, you must be Bob or Bobby. Tell me your friend's name, Bobby. Wow, your name is Bob and your friend's name is Bobby. Actually, there's a grammatical error here, but yeah. Also, we can do another name, Jen. Tell me your friend's name, Geo. Hello, Jen. Actually, I need and Geo. So let me try that again. Jen and Geo. So hello, Jen and Geo. Alright, that concludes our lesson on condition. Thank you for watching.